Good morning, friends. This is Durga from ITversity, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. So today again, I am conducting this student workshop. First of all, I apologize for not conducting this session last two times. Um, it was holiday season, and I could not have this session last couple of times. So today we are continuing these free live workshops for students. So the number of people who joined on WebEx are little for today's event because last two events I have not conducted. Going forward, I will not try to miss these meetings anymore. We will be conducting these at regular intervals. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on today's agenda. Today, I will be announcing the Big Data Lab for students. Already you might be aware about it, but I will try to cover the new updated version of Big Data Labs. So before that, I will review about ITversity platform real quick, and then I will get into the Big Data Labs. So as most of you are aware, I have launched this online learning platform around 2 years back. Let me see. Those who are on YouTube live, can you guys confirm that you can hear me? Then I will go ahead and start. And also, if anyone want to interact with me directly, you guys can click on this WebEx link, and you can join the WebEx also, and you can talk to me if you want. Otherwise, you can listen to me on YouTube live. Okay, so as you guys are aware, 2 years back I have launched this YouTube channel called ITversity, and I started uploading content on different areas. So far, I have uploaded a lot of content on big data, and in future we will be uploading other content also. So the YouTube have the video content, but if you want to have the code snippet for reference, then there is no easy way to include as part of the YouTube. So for that reason, I have launched something called www.itversity.com, which is nothing but a website. And here we will be having all the relevant content in the form of courses. So a course is nothing but a YouTube videos and text around it. And a course is divided into lessons, and each lesson have a topic. For example, if you click on CCS Spark and Hadoop Developer course, which is on the top right corner, you can see all the lessons in the course. And if you expand, you can see all the topics, and you can follow the content. And then when you learn, even though it is free, you will get doubts in your mind, and they have to be clarified as quickly as possible. For that purpose, we have launched something called discuss.itversity.com, which is nothing but a forum-based website, and you can actually create topics in this for the doubts you have. Even the courses that are in ITversity website have the link to the forum website, and if you click on this, it takes to the lesson or course or topic related to related to the content which is in itversity.com website. So this forums is not only for the website, but also in general, if you get any questions, you can ask. Even if you get questions on YouTube videos, you can provide the link of the YouTube video and you can ask the questions. We will take care of it. We will try to address those issues. Being said that, when you want to practice big data, setting up in your laptops is time consuming, and also you will have only single node virtual machine on your laptop, where you will not get the proper understanding of the multi-node big data clusters. Okay, for that reason, I launched a website called bigdatalabs.com, which is which will support a multi-node cluster of Hadoop. So it's a the website work or the lab work in two-phase manner. First, you need to sign up to the website. Okay, you can use Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or you can provide email ID and password. Okay, people are not able to hear on WebEx. Let me fix that. I am okay. 1 minute. Okay, so let me share the screen. So you need to first sign up to the website, and let me sign up here. I'm using new account. And if you are not subscribed by paying money, then you will see this page. Okay, and then you have to click on enroll now, and you have to pay money through PayPal. These are general plans for general audience. So this $2.99 will be stopped probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and after that there will be 3 plans for general public: monthly, quarterly, and monthly 93 days and 185 days. But for students, this amount. So for example, if you are in MS first semester, if you have to pay $55 every 6 months, it means that you have to pay $220, which is quite a bit of money. For that reason, what we have decided is we will give a plan for a special plan for students. You guys have to send an email that you are interested in this, and we will send the bank details after verifying that you are a student. That plan is only for MS going students, and it costs around $75 for up to 2 years. So if you are in the first semester, first day, until you complete MS, you will get access to the lab for $75. If you are in the second semester, you will get it for three semesters. If you are in third semester, you will get for 2 semesters. If you are in the final semester, you have to choose one of these plans and decide whatever you want. So for people who are in first 3 semesters of their course, you will get up to 2 years for $75, and you can start using the lab. Okay. On top of it, whoever enrolls with $75, I will create a special group in discuss.itversity.com where I will be giving exercises so that you have momentum to practice. Okay, and also I can keep track whether you are completing the exercises or not. And then when I actually venture into staffing in 2018 or 2019, by the time you come out of the college, I can actually use that information to shortlist the candidates. That is the whole idea behind putting a lot of effort in creating the environment for you. So first, you need to send an email to training@itversity.com that you are interested on the student plan of $75. We will have a section here, but you will not have enroll now button. We will furnish few details about the student plan, and you can send an email to training@itversity.com that you are a student, and then we will seek for some evidence that you will be passing out on a particular date. Probably you can actually send email from your college ID to our to training@itversity.com, and we will take the payment and we will provide access to you. Okay, for $75 you can access up to 2 years, and also we will be providing support to build the skills with respect to big data. Okay, so the idea is I want to pool around 500 to 600 MS going students. So if you are an MS student and if you have friends who are in first semester or second semester, please pass this to them. we are planning to pool 500 to 600 MS students in US, and out of those 500 to 600 folks, we want to at least identify 200 to 250 people and train them in different areas of big data, and other 250 people we will train them in application development, some folks in cloud and DevOps, etc. And we will try to have a huge talent pool for us to provide in the form of staffing to the companies, and we will try to place these resources in the full time, not on the contracting basis, so that by the time you come out of the college, we will try to facilitate you get a good job matching your experience and qualifications full time to the client. We will not be there in the middle. So that's the plan. I have a partner also from cloud side. He is a director in one of the companies in Bay Area. He will be uploading a lot of content on cloud and DevOps, and also he will be providing support in that area. So any student, we will try to identify where he will fit well, and half of the students we will try to put them in big data, and half of the students in cloud, DevOps, and other areas. So please share this message so that I will be able to pool these 500 to 600 students and categorize them and train them in different areas. Whoever is whoever will be categorized under big data development, for those guys, we will be providing lab at $75 for 2 years, up to 2 years, and you can start practicing. We will support with all the skills required to become a big data developer. Okay, so that's about the big data lab, and now I'm signing out from this to show the lab. So the lab is a state-of-the-art lab. It has 8 nodes in it. If you are already paid, when you log in, you will go to this page, and you can take the username, password, click on this open console, and you can just click on copy password, type the username which is created when you sign up for the lab. So after paying the amount, it will ask you to create a user for you. So this user is to access the lab. Earlier we sign up to the website. Now we are trying to log into the lab. To log into the lab, don't use your login credentials. Instead, you have to click on copy password. You have to take this user and then paste the password. If it is Windows laptop, you have to just do Control V after copying the password and hit enter, and you are in the lab. Okay, and from here you can follow my content on the website and start learning big data technologies. Beyond that, there are also some links here. Main thing is Ambari. If you click on this Ambari URL, and log in with the same credentials, you have to get the username, whatever is created for you, and then password from the copy password, and paste it over in the sign-in page, and you will see the web interface for Ambari. Ambari is nothing but a tool which will facilitate you to monitor and maintain the big data clusters with Hadoop, Spark, etc. And here, if you go to hosts, you will see the different servers and their configurations. So there are 7 servers right now. One is gateway node. We are trying to connect to this only using the console. Here we are logged into the same host, gw01.itversity.com, and this is that host, which is gateway. And then these 3 are masters in Hadoop world. You will understand once you start learning Hadoop or big data. And these 3 are slaves. We will add one more slave to this cluster, so it will be 8 node cluster. Each node have 8 cores. Means 8 CPU cores, and then 32 GB RAM, and each one have 4 terabytes of storage. So it's a pretty big cluster to practice Hadoop from the developer perspective. So once you sign up for the lab, you will have access up to 2 years as a student, and you can practice, and if you have any questions here, you can always raise those issues in discuss.itversity.com. And I am not alone in responding to these answers. I will show my staff. Most of them are volunteers. You also can be part of the volunteer group. So if you go to users, you will not have access to this, but now you can see whoever is admin can see this. So there are these many guys who will be supporting you whenever you have questions, and there will be a lot more people going forward. Whoever is interested, once they gain experience, they can start responding to the questions posted by other learners. So I want to create an ecosystem where your learning is accelerated as much as it can. So that being said, to reiterate, so we have the video content on YouTube. Then itversity.com is the website where we will have courses with videos embedded in them, and then discuss.itversity.com, which is nothing but a forum, and the big data labs, which is nothing but a lab where you can actually practice big data. So that being said, I just want to announce this for the students. And now, if you guys have any questions, if you are following any of the big data courses, if you have any questions, you can ask, and I will be glad to answer those questions. For simple questions, always try to use discuss.itversity.com. And if you are a student, even if you if you are a student and if you are interested in signing up for the lab, please send email to training@itversity.com. That being said, I will go to the WebEx session and see if there are any questions from the people. And also I will take questions from the YouTube live also. As of now, there are only 3 people in WebEx, Kumar, Sharath, and Sudhir. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Even if anyone have questions on YouTube live, please let me know. I will be glad to help you. And the person who will be helping you in cloud and DevOps is this guy. He is a director in one of the mid-sized company based out of Bay Area. He will be part of this effort to train college-going students, and he will take the lead on cloud and DevOps. Okay, and I will be taking care on the big data, and we will slowly we will get into the other areas as well. So if anyone of your friends are interested to get into cloud and DevOps, please ask us to follow us, and we will be sharing the details in timely manner on cloud and DevOps as well. So any questions? If you don't have any questions, then we will wrap up. From next time, I will be conducting the sessions without miss. If I miss any sessions, I will communicate to you guys. And if you want to be the part of the WebEx invite, and if you want to get the reminder in this bi-weekly student workshop, please fill this form. So it is not only for big data purpose, even for cloud, DevOps, and all those things, we will be conducting different sessions, and we will be adding you guys to those also. So this is the form, and it is only for the students, not for the regular working professionals. So that is the link you can click on, and you can fill the form so that I will add you to the WebEx invite, and you can join in the WebEx directly, and also you will get the reminder every 2 weeks. Okay, so I will give 30 seconds to see if there are any questions from the audience. If there are no questions, then we will wrap up. Meanwhile, if you are watching this on YouTube live, please click on the like button and also share this with your friends so that they know what we are trying to do. You will see a lot of progress in 2017, wherein we will upload a lot of content, and also we will partner with other folks and try to get as much information as possible to you folks. So you can click on this, share button, and you can share on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever you want. So if you like the content anytime, please do so. Okay, it seems there are no questions. Thank you very much for those who joined the session, and especially students. If you are interested in the 2-year $75 plan, please send email. So the question from Sujay is, are you planning to do some courses on IoT? No, IoT at this time, we are not focusing much. We will wait for some more time. And for now, the primary focus will be on big data and cloud, and then we will get into the other areas. These two itself are big beasts. I need to get some partner if we have to focus on other areas such as Internet of Things. There is another technology which is getting a lot of momentum called blockchain, etc. So it will take time to get into the other areas. Our first priority will be big data, cloud, and then application development, and then we will venture into the other areas. But we'll have content on Python, JavaScript, etc. Okay. So any other question? Okay then, thank you very much, and have a nice week ahead, and we'll catch up in 2 weeks for the student workshop. At the same time, every week we have a workshop for people who want to prepare for the big data certifications. So if you are a working professional and accidentally end up in this video, please wait for next week's session, where I will be providing details about how to be part of the big data certifications workshop. That being said, thank you. Bye.